Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2018 Holden Colorado, stock number 7248. It's run from the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2020. Has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door has hail damage, good private. Left rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light, rear tailgate has hail damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right rear and right front door has hail damage, good private. Right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,